In this video, Bitcoin has now started forming a bullish pattern for the very short term, and right now is this the opportunity for us to enter into a long position following the dead cat bounce? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade these guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa previous analysis natin, what we have been monitoring was in the weekly time frame, we have finally seen Bitcoin trying to make a dead cat bounce pabalik sa 50-week moving average. So medyo magulo itong chart kasi I'm actually using this short-term chart and ang tagal mag-load ng long-term chart dito. Let's give it a quick refresh. Generally, what we have been monitoring right now is this weekly time frame chart. We are now about to see or potentially see Bitcoin go back to the 50-week moving average, which is potentially playing around the 100,000 US dollars, only if we are going to see a bounce at the 95,000 US dollars. And right now, this is the thing that we have to monitor right now, because if you're going to open this in the hourly time frame, you can find that Bitcoin has now started forming a falling channel here in the hourly time frame. And as you can see, this falling channel has been consistent dito. And if you're going to look at this in, siguro let's try to look at this in the 4-hour stochastic RSI. Let's try to look at this. You would have find that we have started forming somewhat of an initial bullish cross dito sa 4-hour stochastic RSI. But when it comes to the RSI naman in the hourly time frame, you will find na wala pang confirmation dito in the hourly time frame. So what we would want to see dito sa hourly time frame is either mag-form siya ng declining price dito, at the same time the RSI should be increasing. So that is what we would want to see here in order for us to confirm a bullish trend reversal dito, kasi of course that will be a bullish divergence. And on top of that, siguro ang gusto ko din ipakita dito sa inyo is ano yung magiging target nito if let's say we are going to see a bullish breakout. So if we are going to see a bullish breakout dito, we have to have more candle closes above this resistance, and then ang magiging target niyan would actually be around the 97,000 US dollars. So right now, that is going to be the target if we are going to get bounces dito kay Bitcoin price action. So right now, I might open a long position dito. I'm just going to wait out for a confirmation dito before entering into a long position. What I am actually waiting out to is for a candle close breakout dito. And then from there on, doon ako mag-continue ng long position up until the 97,500 US dollars. Pero yun nga, this can still lead into a fake out kasi wala pa nga tayong clear confirmations dito, wala pang buy volumes, wala pang bullish indicators dito sa RSI. So the only bullish indicators are still in the 4-hour time frame. So what I would think is this is still going to extend dito, and then from there on, saka pa lang siya mag-form ng bullish divergence, saka tayo makakita ng bullish trend reversal. So that is what I am now going to monitor dito with the Bitcoin price action. And take note, I will be trading this guys kay Wix, kasi kay Wix mas maganda mag-trade ng short-term trades for kay Bitcoin, for short-term trades kay Bitcoin. If you don't have an account with Wix, make sure to use my sign-up link, which you can find in the description down below. So yeah, yun yung nakita natin ngayon. It can actually lead into a move back to the 97,000 US dollars. But yeah, right now we are going to wait that one out before a final confirmation, before entering into any big trade. So those are my trades for the time being, and I don't think I have anything else to update. So if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.